Let me tell you something that we have done to have a great SE market database. It's accessible on a website called 7parallel.com. You can go to 7parallel.com and under the menu bar, you can see the blogs. And if you go to the blog setting, there are all kinds of top SE store, top SE product summaries. And this is a great trove of treasure for new people starting up. If you go to, for example, this top 40 list of SE stores, I have actually top 50 stores. It includes Planet Kate, Catherine Mineralist, and bead stores, jewelry stores, craft stores, uh, art design stores, toy stores, and mask stores, and so on and so forth. Some of the mask stores were able to sell 500,000 in a year of existence. And you can click on the link. If you click on the link, you are transported directly to the Etsy store page of that particular store. So it's very convenient. And we have the top 50, and oftentimes they're updated from time to time because new stores got discovered by me or by other people, or their rankings change. So come back to visit often. When you go back to the starting page, 7parallel, you can go to, for example, Etsy store database. In the Etsy store database, we have a list of 50 to 70 stores. There are more than the rank list that we give. So there are more information. And they are cataloged under the Etsy category. These are the Etsy top 8, top 9 categories, including gifts, jewelry, party, etc., etc. Here we go to the category of clothing, and you can see our database in the category of clothing. For example, you can go to this t-shirt store. In the t-shirt store, you can read about its name, the age, the average price that it sells, and the months it's first established, and so on. So there's quite a lot of information, especially for young, for first-time entrepreneurs who are trying to start an Etsy shop. On the right-hand side of the list is items. For example, t-shirt, special items like party gifts, and so on. And you can browse those selections, and it will give you a very good idea of what items sell. Again, each of this can be accessed. Etsy is not as big as Amazon. It would be pointless for me to have such a database for Amazon because it is so noisy there and so many different players, so many different metrics. But I have this Etsy database so that I can help beginning entrepreneurs, beginning salespeople. You're most likely setting up your first stores. You're most likely learning to do drop shipping. You're most likely first time learning the difference between a product and a prototype. You're the first time trying to ship something to customers. And this is for you. This is to help you have a 3,000 foot view of the entire playing field so that you don't get confused. You don't just think about a nice niche and go in. You want to go in with enough of a investigation of the market, and here we present it to you. If you just go to Etsy directly, you won't be able to see all this information. They're all hidden, and you have to physically crawl the information out. I actually did all the physical work. I actually crawled all the information out. It's almost impossible to use an automated machine algorithm to actually get that information. Those information are most likely not going to be useful for you anyways. I want to give you answers in a way that is illuminating, that helps you make a decision. So again, in summary, you can go to Etsy market database, you can go to the website 7parallel.com. There you can see the ranking list and the actual dynamic database. The dynamic database is updated from time to time. The ranking list obviously is going to be updated from time to time. But I hope that the amount of information is just right for a beginner. Thank you.